In this video, I'm going to talk about absolute path and relative paths. When you run cd to change directory, you can use an absolute path containing the entire directory structure at once. That's mean now you are in a C partition and use a directory. So I will go the previous directory also. Okay, cd. This means I am in the root directory. This column mean the root. So now I need to go to user and custom JSON directory. So I can simply type cd root users custom JSON. So now I am in the user custom JSON folder. So this is the absolute path. If you remove this root icon from here, it will be the relative path. That's mean I will go to the previous one, cd double dot. Now, if you type simply cd custom junction, it's working, but without this root icon, this cd command is only used for this user's directory. So I will type some any other cd to ds. This kind of command is a absolute path. Absolute path means I can go anywhere using this absolute path, but using the relative path, I can go to the directories inside this our present working directory. So that is the meaning of absolute path and relative path.